guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be super exciting. I'm so excited for today's video because I do have two mystery boxes from Jeffree Cosmetics that went on sale last week. They just got here and I've been dying to sit down and open them. So if you're new to my channel and you're here because you searched for mystery boxes and you wanted to see what I got, welcome to my channel, and I really hope that you subscribe to my channel. I do post videos only makeup, so all you're gonna see on my channel is makeup. I did get two boxes just because I tried to get the large box. So they came in small, medium, and large. I tried to get the large box, but that one completely sold out. So they went on sale at 12 noon. I was on the website at 12. At 12:03, I was trying to check out. I actually put one in my bag, but I was trying to check out and it told me that the item in my bag was already out of stock. And I was like, what the hell, yo? I was like on the website at 12. I don't know how that happens. People are crazy. There was just millions of people on there. I don't know what, but people go crazy for Jeffree Star. I was so excited for these boxes because you do get full-size products at a very discounted price. So you are going to save money purchasing the boxes. You do get everything at a discounted price. So a lot of the controversy that people have had with the boxes is that Jeffree Star sends some items that are not really purchased, or things that are sitting back in the warehouse or whatever that aren't moving, and he's just trying to get rid of them. But I know I've already seen a couple of these videos and he has done a much better job with this time around, you know, with the color selection. But again, I don't understand why people have that bad things to say when you're spending money on something that you have no idea what it is, and then why would you criticize it once you receive it? You're paying for a surprise, you know? Whether it's a good surprise or a bad surprise, you don't know. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I knew this was gonna come in here. I knew this pop socket was going to come in here. This is a green one. This is actually so cute. Actually, I'm happy that it's a green one. Is this focusing? I hope it's focusing, but I'm actually really excited that it's a green pop socket. I've been seeing a lot of people get the white one, and I'm like not really into the white one, but this green one I'm down for, and I'm actually definitely going to use this. I just got a new phone. So on my previous phone I did have a pop socket, so I got so used to using a pop socket that when I bought this one, I knew that I had to get a new pop socket, but I kind of had a feeling that one of these was going to come in here, so I kind of held off on buying a pop socket because I knew this was going to be in here, and I'm actually so happy that it's a green one. I'm definitely going to be putting this on my phone. I just love these things so much, like for watching movies, for watching YouTube videos. I'm like always using these, even to hold your phone at night when you're just like on your phone scrolling. These things are so useful. I swear, I love them. This is so cute. I actually okay, I dropped it. It's on the floor. I can't reach it, but I'm so excited that I got that green one. So in here I also got two this is a Velour liquid lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is also a liquid lipstick. So they just come in different packaging. I'm gonna open this one up first. This one is called Candy Yes. Candy Ass. Dude, it says Candy Ass. Does it say Candy Ass or Candy Yes or what? Or Cand Yes? I know I'm saying it wrong. It's not Candy Ass. Or maybe it is Candy Ass, because you never know, like Jeffree Star just has weird names like that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is a very frosty pink. This is actually so pretty. I'm going to try on everything for you guys. Every time I see these videos and they don't try them on, I'm like, girl, why aren't you trying it on? I want to see how it looks. So I purposely wore just a lip gloss so I can easily take it off today, so you guys can see these on my lips. That's how this one looks. What do you guys think? I'm so down for this. I love this. It's actually not as pink on the lips as it looks like it will be in here. For some reason it's a little bit more like a reddish tone. The frosty finish is so pretty to me. This one looks so pretty even with a little bit of lip gloss right over, just to give you that shine. Okay, so moving on, the second one that I got was Triggered. It looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. I know that these are really difficult to remove because I already have a couple of them. I'm probably gonna have to retouch my foundation, honestly. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove everything around here and retouch my foundation. I removed it as best as I could. I'm going to apply this one, which is called Triggered. It's another liquid lipstick. Whoa, this is so pretty. It's like a purple. Let me see. Whoa, you guys, this is so beautiful. I love shades like this. This is so me. I've worn shades like this my entire life. I feel like if I were to be a lipstick, I would be a super dark purple like this. Let me try this on so you guys can see how it looks. I wanna see the light. So this is how this one looks. I'm so in love with this shade. I'm gonna be using this so much, especially with the fall time coming up. I'm extremely into dark shades. I'll wear a dark shade even in the springtime, even in the summer. I'm just super vampy like that when it comes to my makeup. I love dark tones. But as you can see, the small box was $20. You get 3 items for $20. That puts each product at less than, let's see, I'm not good at math, so you're paying $6.60 per product. That's awesome because as you guys know, each full-size product on the website is $18, which is an amazing deal. So the small box was definitely a success. I'm so happy with that. Now I'm going to try to take this off. For the second box, this is the medium box. I'm just going to get my tweezers and open this as fast as I can. There's green paper in here. This is what it looks like. First thing that I see is this liquid frost. I've been wanting to try one of these so badly. This is basically just a liquid highlighter. This is in the shade Canary Bling. I've been really wanting to try one of these, like I said. I haven't tried these liquid ones yet. I've tried his powder highlights, which are awesome, and I've heard good things about these as well. So this is so cool that one of these came in here. Another pop socket came in here. This is an orange one. I love the green one, so I'm probably gonna put this one in a giveaway. If you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is @LeahNicole_XX. I post mainly makeup over there. You're gonna see makeup pictures, makeup videos, short, quick tutorials. Follow me if you like, if that interests you. Moving on, there's 3 more products in here. I'm just gonna get this one out. This is a lip ammunition. This is actually a really pale gold color. I'm going to try it on. This is not something that I would lean towards when I'm buying makeup because, like I said, I don't like these light pale colors. So whatever, I'll just run with it and try to use it. On. It's a very pale, very light tone. You already know my thoughts about light lipsticks like this. It's something different, something that I don't have in my collection, so it's good to add something like this that I don't have. And like I said, these mystery boxes really do force you to get out of your comfort zone when you're sent something that's not typically what you would purchase on your own. Okay, so there's 2 more products in here. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Gemini. This is actually very pretty. This is so nice. It's a nude, but it's definitely not that concealer type of nude or like that washed out nude that I just despise so much. I hate them. This one actually has a really peachy undertone, which is so beautiful. So I'm going to try it on. I feel like this is going to be very wearable. I want to see the light. That's how Gemini looks. I love this color. It's actually not even nude at all. It's very peachy, very warm, and actually pretty dark. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear this. Also, if you guys notice, I always overline my lips. My bottom lip I never overline, but my top lip I always overline it, and with the liquid lipsticks, it's just so easy to overline your top lips and to shape them into the shape that you want. I don't think I have small lips, but I don't have big lips either, so I always overline them a little bit on the top, and I really give myself more of a rounded shape as opposed to the pointy shape that we all have. So That's what I do, and I actually really love this color. So the very last item in the box is the mystery shade. This is an exclusive liquid lipstick that you could only get in this launch of mystery boxes. You're never going to be able to purchase this ever again. As I can already tell that it is a nude shade. Wow, this is so cute. I love how it has the green. I do have the summer collection which has the green tops. I did get the 6 liquid lipsticks with the green tops, so I have some of them right here. I do have these from the summer collection. I did get the bundle of liquid lipsticks which came with 6 liquid lipsticks, so they have the green. I like how with this exclusive shade he did keep the theme of the green for the summer. That's so cute. So I am going to try this one on. Let me just take what I have off. I'm actually kind of sad to remove this one. I like it. Oh, I almost smacked myself with the pop socket. I think this Gemini shade was so pretty, so beautiful. I'm so glad that I got that one. And yes, everyone's shades, everyone's boxes are different. There's no boxes that are the same. So this is the question mark shade. It's actually like, to me it looks like a pinky, like a baby pink. I'm really glad that he did this exclusive. I'm really glad that he did this exclusive. So I'm so glad that he did this exclusive shade for the mystery boxes. I mean, that's a cool touch to add to the boxes, and it gives you a little bit of more of a reason why you want to buy them, you know, like something even more exciting than what it already is, to get an exclusive shade. I don't know why I struggle so much saying that. Okay, let me just put this on. The question mark shade, and that's basically what it's called. It's called question mark. It doesn't have a name, it just has question mark, so we're gonna call this question mark shade. I really like this. It's very pink. It kind of looks like bubblegum pink. It might not be wearable to a lot of people, but I feel like this is definitely something that I would wear. I love that he did this. Like I said, it's just a great idea to put an exclusive shade in the boxes. I said it good this time. Okay, so everything that I got is right here. I'm trying to hold it all up together. So 4 liquid lipsticks, 1 liquid frost, and 1 lip ammunition. If I were to have bought everything separately, I would have spent so much more money than I did. It's an amazing deal. These mystery boxes are kind of hit and miss. You don't know what you're gonna get. You don't know if you're gonna like it, if you're gonna hate it, if you're even gonna use it, or if you're not gonna use it. So I'm so excited with what I got. I definitely feel like I will be purchasing more of his mystery boxes in the future when if he does come out with them. And I know he will come out with them because on his Twitter, I stalk him on Twitter, he said that he is going to release 2 more mystery box collections before the year ends, so stay on the lookout for that. Also, if you are interested in getting one of the mystery boxes, you have to be there on the site 10 minutes before the launch drops, because it's really hard to get some of these items, and especially to get some of these boxes. They sell out so quickly. But that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I loved filming this video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoy. Stay tuned for another video and a giveaway on my Instagram. It will be coming soon as well. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.